umwanchi ontegerete tiga ngotebirero ni ntuto koita. Number 1 unabagusi unatokoragera lifestyle tiga tobage into 2.
Yes.
Number 1 endagera endagera ye unabagusi egento geo toita no bokima ama kima tari nyama tari chingeni aya sengencho ukorigere sani omugusi omete more than 50% no bokima
70%.
Tigante 70% no bokima alafu akangeni okobeka gakeigo korero iguga obokima na bogo toita emechere tokori chichabati amandazi quantity tokori tari skari kobeke skari tu egechike kemo echaye goserongori tari ekigo toita tari ekigo kora otware skari aya e portion okori yobokima gosomo chere gosechabati. That is what could lead okonyora diabetes. Number 2 under lifestyle no go isaranse umete unainu na nje ngende clinic ngisaranse korumambi mpaka maragoba nsoke yes torigo kora masoesi oje
Yes.
ogoro nyomba ori ne pikipiki oche gasi oso oisaranse itkorigima nandoruo ori ne pikipiki ogende chiro korwe chiro ori ne pikipiki ogende buo wakorera masoesi nonye ega una moisa stega kotenena no kondecho nando irane roger. That is what we call inactivity or say sedentary life, yani through korama soesi. Those are the 2 biggest. Ono echinde una yote ororeri ndoro esigara nero amaru.
Yes.
Now esigara nonyo sibe STKM nabo mobere after emiaka 3 gosene genetics chao gose mutation chikwanda chitoke otoko bwate skari.
Yes.
Amaru no konyu excessive nimaete studies chikoroki quantity eri okonyu excessive drinking eco lead to konyora diabetes.
Right.
Those are the main causes cho konyora diabetes. But mainly insist ya saba usi lifestyle endagera na gotakora masoesi. Those are the 2 biggest, and that is why today this week 14th of November
Yes.
we are commemorating World Diabetes Day. And this year, our main theme, it is diabetes and well-being.